name is Shashank and today I'm in Morning guys, my name is Shashank and today I'm in the heart of Brecon Beacons, Wales. My plan is to counter the Four Waterfall Walk. So last night we just camped over that hill and it's around 7:30ish in the morning. It's getting pretty full, the car park. So we have come to the small car park which is free, but it just has like limited space. So if you plan to come here, definitely come early, otherwise it gets pretty full. What benefit does it have at the old car park? It saves you 2 kilometers of walking. So let's go.
Here is the picture from Google Maps. So the green is the distance between the small car park to the first waterfall compared to the other two car parks.
Weather is pretty sunny today, so hopefully it's going to be a nice walk. The path to the waterfall is quite good, so it's wide to begin with, so you have to basically cross this metal gates and that's where the real fun begins. So just a bit more info for the Four Waterfall Walk in Wales. So I'm gonna tell you the names as we visit them. It's around 8 kilometers round trip.
There's one you can actually walk behind it, so I'll try and grab some pictures.
Cool, so it's been around 6 to 7 minutes of walking and I can already hear the water. So we're pretty close to the first waterfall. Cool, so we are here at our first waterfall, which is called as Clun-Gwyn. That's the Welsh pronunciation, so I probably have butchered it, but the English name is the Fall of the White Meadow, and it actually does look like that. It's pretty loud and dramatic, and the most easiest one to reach. Let's get a closer look from downstairs. So that's the first waterfall. We can actually go downstairs, so you can take these trails, which are a bit risky. So oh wow! Look what I found. Ganpatiji. So wow, that's an astonishing sight. And that's the waterfall. Just walk down to the lake, some pictures, and there it is. Ganpati Bappa Moria. So that was the first waterfall. So in order to visit the next ones, all you have to do is climb back the same stairs you went down and then follow this path. That's gonna take us to a bridge that we need to cross, and then we'll get on the right trail for the next three waterfalls. Cool, so you have to cross this bridge and that's gonna join you with the main trail.
So after crossing the bridge, we are here at the moment and we have to follow the pillars 16 to 25 all the way down to waterfall number 4, 3 and 2. Left, no, right, yes.
Yeah, the trek is becoming a little bit tougher now, so it's not as easy and smooth as it was. Alright, so we're here at the second waterfall, which is called Sgwd by Pannwr. I don't know if you can hear me because it's pretty loud. So it's called the Fall of the Fuller, because it pours down heavily into the screen pool. So we are now at the third waterfall, which is basically Sgwd Isaf Clun-Gwyn. So it's sort of a subpart of the first one, and it's in English it's called Lower Fall of the White Meadow. It's hidden deeper in the woods, so if you have to actually see it whole, you have to just bank up these rocks. So I'm going to try that and show you a better view. So that's our third waterfall. It's pretty noisy, so you can't hear me, so I will just say. So yeah, we still need to further go up if we want to reach that, so we'll try and climb through those steps and we go there. But it's pretty majestic. Yo, we finally made it. I don't know. That was fun. Oh, sorry for my hand. But wow, this view is amazing. Cool, I've got my snacks here, so it's a carrot cake. We're gonna have some. We're gonna get reached out before we go to the next one. Fueling up. On we move to waterfall number 4. Phew. These are the stairs of hell to heaven. Let's see if it's worth it. Alright guys, that's it. That was the Four Waterfall Walk. Just a couple of ending notes. The network is quite patchy here, so it comes and goes, and I forgot my power bank, so the battery drains fast. See you next time.